As we don't date stay rich. Each time I think of my prick degrees, I dey get strong erection. Yeah, and the girl don't do dirty sex. Different kind of sex.
Kpokpogiri release the voice record of that girl where in the jogodo. Una know the girl when I dey talk about. So that girl where they twerk for Instagram. Area does scatter. The voice record when they take the jogodo and for 30 times a day. My darling people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, I beg you go subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video when I want to do so, the voice record when I go show and I go shock alize all of una, my darling people. E go shock una not be small. They say not a person not go see for this social media. That we they see. So my darling people, my people, Kpokpogiri don't come release the voice record where into the jogodo. This girl for Instagram, her name I dey always dey forget am. Una know say when the voice record first come out say he say Kpokpogiri dey jogodo that girl. We be not believe before, we be the feel say maybe na just normal friendship na dem be. But now we come know say you know say Toto Dike first talk am say the sex tape dey with Kpokpogiri. We be say na joke. Now we can't see the voice record wey Kpokpogiri now. Tell the jogodo this girl every day. He say anytime when you think about that girl, he say he walking stick must get up. He say because the girl as she take the twerk for Instagram, now so she take the do vulgar and not be small. My darling people, this one shockalize me. Hey? Not the way person not go see for this social media. I dey feel say maybe this thing a joke before. Now me I can't know say this one not be joke. Oh. This one not be joke something. No, this girl serious like I said the Kpokpogiri, that guy a very useless boy. He talk everything. Say anytime when you think about him, say he walking stick must get up. He say na every day the jogodo that girl. He say he get one day as the jogodo. He jogodo that girl morning to evening. He said the girl husband not they talk because now the girl now he married the man. I make the man not they talk. So this Kpokpogiri, I see the jogodo married women join now. Hey, Tonto Dike, how you tell know this guy? You don't your liquidate like that. So you not can see better guy follow. You can be say now this Kpokpogiri guy now you can see follow. Tonto Dike, you fuck up, sha. I know like you fuck up, not be small because this guy not just what I'm at all. Very mugre, as in ubeke looking funky guy. How you tell see him? My darling people, I go put the video. This one, the record, they don't fool everywhere for social media. Hey. Not be smart to you, my darling people. I go put an amount see and the video not go too long, my darling people. Thank you. Bye.
As we don't date stay rich. Each time I think of my prick degrees, I dey get strong erection. Yeah, and the girl don't do dirty sex. Different kind of sex. When we say, she tell me say, Prince, the fuck where you don't fuck me. My husband for 9 years, where would they did? She never fuck me like that. Me and Jay, we feed the house, we fuck from morning till evening.
She know they tire.
Yeah, if we tire, we'll rest, we'll continue.
Nah.
Please fear me. Now she married the guy now, not be the guy married.
She dey use